Okay, so first off, if you do have questions about this video, let me know. I try and keep them as short as possible. You guys tend to try and skim through them anyway. So if you miss something or if I'm not clear, please let me know. So number one, on Monday, we completed the Chapter 4 quiz of The Great Gatsby. So you need to make sure you complete that. Number two, we are moving past your second body paragraph. That's due Wednesday, and I am going to give you some class time on Wednesday. But we are moving on and looking at your works cited page and your conclusion paragraph. So for your conclusion paragraph, number one, you need to make sure, excuse me, you do the following, and I'm on the wrong one, so we'll look at that later. Include your topic. So what's your topic? The American Dream is no longer available. Then you restate your supporting reasons. And you want to rephrase these so your audience doesn't feel the repetition, but they still are reminded of what those topics are that support your argument. Then after that, you end with a call to action. Even though the American Dream does not exist, these steps can be taken to make it possible. Okay, so leave it with an open end. Other than that, this week, other than finishing up your essay and the Chapter 4 quiz, on Wednesday, we are going to try and finish Chapter 5 and take the Chapter 5 quiz. Now, Chapter 6, I don't see us getting to. We may or may not look at it as we wrap up this week. We only have class for the 2 days, so, and I want to make sure you have enough time to finish your essay. And other than that, that's what we're focusing on. I didn't want to go into your ACT drills with the quarter closing and Christmas break going on at the moment. So if you have more questions, let me know, guys. I hope you have a great Christmas season.